What's up, guys? I'm going to be outside right now, enjoying a peaceful view. Oh, look at that car. Isn't that a nice car? Dang, bruh. Look at this. Oh my God. Got a steering wheel. Nice leather. I will not believe whose car this is. This is my dad's car. Bro, and all these other horrible cars compared to my dad's car, though. Like, dang. Let me zoom it up. Let me zoom in on that. Like, dang, bruh. Dang, that is awesome. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my dad's car. Alright, guys. See ya, and that's just a little small vlog. Vlog. So see ya, deuces, and have a fun day, guys. Pieces.